Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel TK Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine friends. Well friend, today I have for repair, see this is Meyer sound. This is one of very branded subwoofer amplifier. So this is Meyer sound model 2100. Okay, this is power subwoofer amp module. So it's came for repair today. So we'll check what's the status. I opened that one. We'll just turn this one now. We'll check. So this one. Hey guys, see I found part IC's damage over here. You can see. So before I applied power, so I just want to clear myself. Is there any damage inside? So when I open it, I found this IC faulty. See this one. This is actually called gate driver IC. See the condition. This drives the IGBTs, or you can say the gate driver IC, MOSFET gate driver IC. This is. So now first we'll replace this part. You can see. So we need to. I got the spare part for this. So once we replace this, then we'll apply input power. Okay, so we'll start dismantling this one. So we'll start dismantling this one. This IC, this is a gate driver IC, high side gate driver IC. This is. Okay guys, so just we'll replace it now. First we'll desolder this IC. So guys, we have removed the IC. This is a faulty IC. So I got the new IC. With me. Okay. So we'll replace this IC. So first we'll clean this one. So guys, we'll clean this. Okay, and so there is one resistor also is there. This resistor also we need to replace. Okay, we need to replace this resistor and the IC. Rest of things is okay. So what we'll do, we'll replace IC. This is high side gate driver IC and one resistor is there. So we'll replace these two things. I will tell you the value of the resistor and the number of IC also later. So once we fix that one, okay, just keep watching my video till end. So guys, we have cleaned this one. So now, so I have replaced one resistor over here also. This resistor also burn. So this is the resistor. So this resistor also burn. So we have replaced this resistor. This is the resistor. Okay, so I'll tell you the value. Okay, so now we'll replace the IC. This is the IC, faulty IC. So I got the new IC with me. So we'll replace this IC. This is high side gate driver IC, new IC. Okay. The number of this IC is 7362. The number of this IC is 7362. Okay, and the value of this resistor is 47 ohms. Okay, So now we'll solder it. So guys, we'll just solder this IC. Okay, so in this we have replaced two things. One is resistor 47 ohms, and this is 7362 IC number. This is high side gate driver IC. So rest all is okay. So now what we'll do, we'll apply input power and check what's the status. Okay guys, just keep watching my video till end. So guys, it's time to apply input power. Okay, so we'll check now. We'll apply the input power and check what is the status. We'll put it on. I put it on. See, it's on. Okay, so guys, it's on. So our power supply is working. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. See you very soon next video. Bye.